Hello. If you want to change your brakes on a semi-trailer or on a truck and you never did this before, you want to learn how to do it, this video is for you. First thing you gotta do is raise the wheel you want to do. Use any kind of jack that's suitable for enough weight of the trailer. Then unbolt the wheels. If you have tire inflation system, disconnect those hoses before you take off the wheels. That's the first step of changing brakes. Then you have to release your brakes in a tractor and release them even more on a ratchet. When brakes are released, you gotta release the adjustment of the brakes. Remember to do first push red button inside the truck, then try to adjust them here, because if you do opposite, to adjusting first, it's gonna be so hard to move it, you may not even gonna be able to. So, after brakes been released inside the truck, go right here to this nut and keep releasing them as much as you can. It's gotta be counterclockwise, so this way. See this? That's how it should look. Now your drum is good to take off. Nothing is holding it anymore. Remember to use both jacks. Sometimes those jacks tend to go down slowly, even if they're completely locked. So use jack stands. There's a good tonnage. This one is 6 ton, I believe. It's like 12,000 pounds. Okay, now let's try to take off the drum. To get your drum moving, use some kind of hammer. Maybe small one, if it's enough, it's good. Use bigger hammer. Okay. Next thing you need to do is taking off the springs. For taking off the springs, it would be good if you have this kind of tool. I believe it's sold in DeCarlos. You use it this way. Put it behind the spring, get it a little bit, and it's so easy to take off those springs. And it's easy to put the new ones in. So you take one off. Do the same thing on the other side. Got both of them off. pads are stuck a little bit, brake shoes. And then there's another spring on the other side. Just one, big one. Put brakes to the side like that. And slide them from S cam or whatever it's called. Slide them to the outside, and that's it. You have the old brakes out. Okay, next step, what you do, you assemble your new brakes. So you put those in like this, then like this, and push the spring in until it goes to the holes, and it holds it in place. Do same thing, and those are going to the side where it's smaller diameter. Smaller, bigger. Goes like where it's smaller. Like that. Then those things, they go in here. You need also hammer to put them in. Okay, one is in. It's gonna be like this. Gonna put the spring up behind this. Slide it in as far as it goes, and hit it with the hammer. Now, before putting new brake shoes on, make sure you rotate this thing all the way counterclockwise. Okay, it's all the way, then you can't go farther than it goes. Alright, and then put one shoe with the spring on top and put it slightly to the side like that. That way it's gonna be less tension on the spring, or no tension at all. Then connect the bottom shoe to the spring. Okay, it's connected. Okay. Okay, I forgot to tell you about those things. Those are very hard to take out. They get stuck there like forever. But if yours are like mine, don't have any damage on them, looking good, so you still can use your old ones. If not, You gotta take them out and put the new ones in. They come with the set. This trailer is 2018. It's only like 2 or 3 years old right now, so they're still good. That's, I think, the first time I'm changing those brakes ever, so I just used the old ones. Use the hammer to set the brake shoes in place. You can do it with the hands, but I'm gonna go one time too far. Okay. Don't hit on the brake pad itself, just hit on the metal structure slightly, not to bend it or anything. Okay, then use the same tool. If you don't have a tool, you're gonna have to use some screwdriver. It's gonna be harder. It's not a problem though, you can easily use screwdriver. Put it in, then top, make sure it sits in all the way. Sits good, as it should. And the other spring on the other side. Same thing. Put it in and top. Okay, your brakes are in place. Now you gotta put the drum back in. Okay, how you put the drum back in? The easiest way is to grab it like this, kind of a little bit lower than the middle. Grab it like that. Watch your fingers and put it in on top of the upper shoe. Sure it goes in like that. Align it with the bolts and slide it in. As easy as that. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop this video right here because the rest is easy. You just put your wheels back in, connect the tire inflation hoses, bolt it up to torque 450 pounds, and lower the wheel, lower your bottle jack or whatever you have. Don't forget to rise it first, take off your jack stand, and you all set. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for you. Good luck changing the brakes. Nice and easy. Have a good day. See ya.